How to deposit cash on Revolt. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit cash money from Revolt. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do that. You can simply install this application by using the Google Play Store or App Store. Go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for Revolt, and then you will see an application like this. Now what you need to do is you need to tap on the option of add money when you open the screen and sign into your account, and your account is verified. Then you can simply add the money by tapping on the add money account. You need to choose your money added via, you need to choose the payment method, and then you can simply add money on Revolt by simply tapping the number and tapping on the send button right here. But make sure that your account is verified. For this, you need to select your specific reason, and just like that, you are done. It's pretty simple and easy. I hope you like the video. If you like the video and it helped you, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.